Good day, y'all. Mr. Shea Play with Shea Play Homestead. Oh, Charlie boy's down. For y'all folks that think this is too crowded, we have a whole nother coop built on the other side, 8x16. And this run on the other side here is like 20 feet long by, I think it's like 10 feet wide. And the two runs going that way is 10 by 10 and 10 by 10, so there's lots of room. They're eating right now. That's why they're all down here. I just filled up the feeder. So I had two feeders running, and on the other side over there was another feeder, but I'm just running the one feeder right now. Probably have to lock the drakes up eventually. I can't let them roam free with the chickens and the ducks. Once the drakes start wanting to mount the chickens, they're gonna probably kill the chickens. So, how you doing, Charlie? I'm my boy. How you doing, buddy? I haven't seen them down since the drakes all got loose, so I split up some feed. I put some in the little trough over there. Oh, she's molting. She's molting pretty good. You doing, bud? I know one thing, the hens, the duck hens, they grab a hold of the actual hen, the chickens, and they don't let go. They're quite aggressive. Or territorial is a better word, I guess, not aggressive. You're even molting, Charlie. Nice looking boy. There goes Lucky and Karen. I think the chickens are giving in to the ducks. The whites aren't. The duck picking at the chickens. She's trying to get in, look. And they're not letting her in. She won't get in there yet. Watch. Oh, Charlie put the run to her. Oh. There's Louie over there. Louie put the run to the Brahma. Where's Donald? Usually Louie's the kind of docile one with Donald just sitting there, so Donald must be in the other side. I don't know where Huey is. Probably eating. While we're doing some egg collecting, I just kind of went around, picked. There's still some probably in the box over there, actually. There's some in the box and some, not many in the box, though. There's probably lots in the corner. So. There's probably some over here. sun's right in my camera because I got a hole through the side of the wall. And Charlie's eating. I threw him some feed up there, but apparently he doesn't want my feed. We're getting somewhere. There's probably some in the other coop now. I'll show you this, since you guys think there's no room just because they're all eating at the same time. And then you come over to this side. Oh, there's Huey. Hey, buddy. You're in my way, though. You're in my way. Well, we should put this down. Put this down for the chickens. I can kind of get over here. We got just 3. Man, they're cold, so they're from yesterday, I would assume. There, the chickens. I forgot that was even up there.